Dr. Rakesh.
Perfect.
My screen is coming.
Yes,
Perfect.
yes.
Perfect.
My screen is coming.
Yes,
Yes.
everything is coming.
Yeah. So actually, this case actually allotted to my colleague to initially for the SICS, but actually the after the tunnel and after making the okay. So this is the 80-year-old male, Bijanbaj PL and PR accurate, hard brown cutter with CD exfoliation. Surgery allotted to my colleague for SICS. Surgeon made tunnel and ended the 5 mm rexis and was unable to proceed further and referred to me because that they are the slightly higher IIP. So I assessing a CCC and the journal weakness. So we put the just blunt instrument over it and assess the rexis. So it was the 5 mm and I did
Start the
slightly.
Video is not running.
Rakesh, you have to start the video. You put
Rakesh,
the
video is not running.
Nice, okay.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Good.
perfect. Here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. So first I assessing the axis margin and then assess the phacodonosis. And I decided to do the some phaco emulsification in this case because that the nucleus is very hard. So first we suture the tunnel properly and put the CTR, but the CTR with the help of the 2 Sinskey hook. The nucleus is very hard, so it is very it is unable to collapse in the entry chamber. So after putting the CTR, my next goal is to make a very deep trench and slightly longer because the people is not much dilated or the people is very rigid. So we don't use the and any rings or hooks, and then try to make a very deep trench and then try to rotate the nucleus at this time to make a further deepening of the trench. So we use the both hand, one the phaco tip and Sinskey hook. So we rotate the nucleus in the this way is very useful, like that, and then make a further deepening of the trench. So after that, I actually just made a stop and chop technique. I cracked the nucleus in the with the help of this technique, and then the nucleus very hard to go slightly in the multi-level cracking. But I unable to crack the central part of the plates. So I rotate the nucleus again in the 180-degree, and then try to crack from the other side. But I am unable to crack further. So for this, I actually take the 2 Sinskey hook and then crack the central plate, but I was very afraid because the half of the nucleus is disappeared. So after the removal of the some cortex, I go just behind the iris blindly, and then nucleus is appear again. I was lucky. So I just remove the one pole of the nucleus in the antechamber, and then put the more amount of the Bisco and emulsify the nucleus properly. And then the other part of the nucleus is always I just keep the half of the nucleus in the pupillae margin and half of the nucleus in the antechamber, then emulsify it. And then after that, I assess the journal weakness and remove the cortex very carefully. So I always use the bimanual and then retract the iris with the help of irrigation cannula, and then remove the cortex. So I assess the people actually the bag is very good, and the you can see the slightly corneal edema is there, and I put the oil in the bag.
Your time's up.
Yeah. And remove the cortex very carefully and all around. And then I did the port and put in. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Rakesh. Great video.
Yeah.
And you showed something very practical and what can happen if you're caught in such a situation. But I feel when you had a nice big SICS tunnel there,
Yeah.
you could have gone ahead and done an SICS. I've seen so many great surgeries of yours. That is one thing. And the second thing is the capsular bag looked tremulous. So much so you said you place a CTR2. So maybe in such a situation, instead of a single piece IOL, you could place a 3-piece IOL because the haptic of it would be an extra support. Just two thoughts of mine. Expert panel, would you want to add something?
Can I make?
Yes.
I think definitely SACS would have been an option in this case.
Louder.
SACS would have been an option in this case. Second thing is, if you are going to do phaco, I think you should not do a trench, because every time you do a trench, there you are pushing the nucleus and producing more zonular weakness as well. So that is another problem here. And otherwise, I think you did the job very well. So SACS, in fact, we made the tunnel and then subsequently proceeded with the phaco. Am I right?
Yeah. I think it is always very difficult, when your colleagues send you cases in the middle of their phacos and they say, they were not able to do because of raised IOP or whatever reasons, because you don't know actually what has happened. And especially if it's a raised IOP, you don't know expulsive has happened or not, or what has happened. So I think he handled the case, Rakesh, congratulations, you handled a case which is extremely tough, very well, because it was a very hard cataract. And the trenching was almost like a textbook-like picture, the way you see in the textbooks. So that sort of a trenching was done as expected. The separation of the hard cataract, the posterior plate, was difficult. But I think overall a very well-managed case. And because I think endocapsular ring was there and single-piece lens was put because of that reason, and I think that's perfectly all right. Although Chitra would say that 3-piece would be.
Actually, I have the few options actually in mind. Actually, initially I want to do some small sphincterectomy and remove the nucleus in the antechamber. But the nucleus is very bulky, so by this reason it can cause the nuclear the bag prolapse. Sometimes the total zonular dilatation. And second thing is that I can use the iris hooks, but iris hooks can cause the iris trauma and the iris trauma and disfigurement of the pupil. So by this reason I go for the phacoemulsification. One thing is possible when I crack the nucleus in the two parts and remove the half of the nucleus from the tunnel. Every nucleus first, and then another half of the nucleus from the tunnel. So this is my option, but when I feel the everything was okay, then I go for the phaco.
Thank you very much.
I'm sure Dr. MS Ravindra sir is going to say that, you should have gone for SICS if he's.
Thank you.
Thank you.